to part two. Does that make sense? Yeah, who cares? Hi guys, and welcome to part two of making this kind of sick image we've got here. And in this part, we will be adding some hue and saturation, some backgrounds, and a text. So, let's get on. So, and you might remember in the last one we did this. So first what I'm going to do is actually fully transform it down a little bit. Just like that. Just a little bit smaller to match it like that. So you can do that if you want to. So now what you're going to do is create a new layer. Just like I did here. And I'm going to call this BG. You want it to be, actually it's just called Sparks actually. Yeah. And you want it to be on top of your Batman logo. And I'll explain why that in a second. But now you're going to go on to Google. And you're going to find some fire sparks. All of them fitting quite well. You probably don't want something like that or that. Probably want something spread out. So I'm just gonna choose these. I used these before. I also used these. I like these, so I haven't used these before though. So I don't know how that's gonna look. But let's use it anyway. So I'm gonna drag it into my file layer. And it should pop up on your Sparks layer. If it pops up on another layer, you can just delete the layer that you made, the empty layer that you made, and just rename the layer that Photoshop made. So what I'm gonna do is gonna scale it up, just like that. So then it covers the whole logo. I'm gonna change this. I think I did soft light. What did I do? I did a lighter color. So where is that? Lighter color there. Okay. So now I'm gonna change the Batman's hue and saturation. So I'm gonna select the Batman layer and go to Image, Adjustments. I'm gonna go to Hue and Saturation. And you're probably going to darken it a bit. Changing this to 0. Not everything is actually even working on this hue and saturation effect. No idea why. Hue and saturation was added with that. But wasn't it added to the whole thing though? No, it wasn't. So, no, not color balance. Delete that. I'm gonna go to here, hue and saturation, and then change that down to something like this. But if this doesn't work, you can always change it to another one, which might work. Better. You could do that. But I'm actually going to go to white color still. But I'm actually going to use the eraser tool and make it absolutely massive. So it covers the whole image. And just click just crooked like that. Because that one isn't working very well. Just gonna use the same image as we used on that one. So that was this one. Just gonna drag and drop it. And as I said, it pops up on another layer. You can just rename it to what you wanted it to be, and then just delete it. And I'm going to go Command T, Control T on Windows, and scale it up. And as I said, make it go off a little bit and make it cover the Pac-Man logo. And I'm going to set this to a whiter color, and it's already looking like it looked here. Just this one was a bit cut out differently, but this one was kind of like this because reasons. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go and add a text to the image. And just adding the text is going to be the easiest part, really. Just going to make a text. Make a text, clips, Batman, whatever. We'll make a text. We're gonna make a text. It's gonna be black. It's gonna be bold. I'm gonna just add the text, and then as you can see, if we edit text, it has that little box there, like a T, just the logo of text tool. Okay, so you know it's not very visible right now. So you're just gonna put it at the bottom there or something. Now what you're gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly move the Batman and down, just something like that. And on here, we're going to go to the effects, and again, we're gonna add a gradient overlay with something like a linear. And you're gonna want it to be a linear, and you want the angle to be what you want the angle to. I'm just gonna set the angle, something like that maybe. And I'm gonna scale. If you put that down, it'll just be a line, and no transition between colors. So I'm gonna do something like that. Blend mode, you can fiddle around with that ones, but that one's okay. And you're going to now go around with a texture. You can add whatever texture you want, really. Just like this 3D one, just this one. And then I added oh, an outer glow. That's what I did. So it's gonna change the color to black. Hit OK. Want the size to be quite big. You want it to be a little seeable or something. However you want to see it. So I actually added an orange before because I thought it was looking quite good on what I was trying to make. Just fiddle around. So noise, you want to probably put that down to 100%, opacity to 100 as well, and you can fiddle around with the size, and then jitter. I don't really know what that is, that it does. I want the range to be at 0, and then spread. It's just gonna tell you how much spread you've added. So I'm doing something like that. And again, you can change the opacity, so I did the opacity like that, and boom. So now you got that. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go Command Shift Alt E to make a new layer, which is a layer of everything that you everything that you added. So now when you go Command T, you can do the whole thing. So I'm gonna do that. And do something a bit like that. So I hope you enjoyed this 2-part thing about making a cool movie logo or something for the end of a trailer in a movie. So I really hope you enjoyed this 2-part thing about 1, using Photoshop to and 2, making what I just said earlier. So I hope you enjoyed, and check out my other tutorials about Premiere and more Photoshop and Illustrator tutorials, and even more. So check out the channel, and I hope to see you in some more.